ladies, it's Michelle McConner here. I'm going to be your party girl. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about what Jamberry has to offer, okay? First off, our signature stuff is these Jamberry nail wraps. These are amazing, okay? This is Love Spell. Right now I have the spring wraps on. Jump the gun a little bit. But this is Love Spell. What these do is each sheet will give you 2 applications on your hands and 2 applications on your toes, typically, okay? They last about 2 weeks on your hands, about 6 weeks on your toes. Only $15 a sheet. They're always buy 3, get 1 free. That's a steal, if you ask me. All right? So, number 2, we carry an application kit, okay? The awesome thing about this application kit is that it comes in this nice, pretty purple bag, and we can fit everything we need to do our nails straight up in this little kit, okay? The heater. This is our Jamberry mini heater. You do need to heat them up and press them down to put them on, okay? We'll talk about that later. So the heater with the cord plus file, okay? Orange sticks, cuticle pusher, Jamberry Gold right here, ladies. And these tiny little scissors. These little scissors are amazing, okay? They are so helpful. And clippers if you want to clip instead of trim, okay? Now the awesome thing about this bag is that it fits everything, and it's only $12.50 for all that stuff that comes in it. Oh, and it comes with a buffer too. I don't use the buffer personally, but some people do need the buffer to apply, okay? So $12.50 for the application kit with all the tools, not the heater, and you can get it with or without cuticle oil. In these winter months, this cuticle oil is crucial to keeping your nails nice and healthy. You just dab a little bit of it right on your cuticle just to keep it nice and healthy and moisturized, okay? These winter months are rough on our nails, okay? So with or without the cuticle oil. With cuticle oil, it's a $20, it's $20. Without, it's $12.50, okay? One little thing. All right, next we have obviously the mini heater, okay? I just showed you the mini heater in here. The mini heater is fabulous. It's super quiet. You set it up like so. You can put it right on the arm of your couch, and the heat comes from right here, okay? It's super quiet. It's super convenient. I would hate to do my nails with a blow dryer. You can do it that way, but it's so loud. This, you can barely hear it. I can do my nails without waking up my kids at night. So that's very, very handy. I can carry on a conversation. So $19 for the Jamberry mini heater, okay? Nourish lotion. This is another crucial thing to keep your nails nice and healthy. Plus, it's just really nice. It has a nice light scent. It's not crazy heavy scented, and it leaves your hands feeling nice and silky smooth. And it's a biotin infused lotion. It's $25, okay? Nourish lotion. Also, we carry a bunch of lacquers in lots of different colors. These are salon quality lacquers. They go on nice and thick and perfectly. They are really fabulous lacquers if you are a lacquer girl. You can also put them underneath wraps, the clear wraps, so they show through. They're pretty awesome. $15 a piece, okay? They do come in some sets that you can get 4 lacquers for $54. Also, we have Beauty Boost. This is a fabulous new multivitamin. It's a new product for us, so there's not a whole lot of reviews on it out there, but it does come in nice small little gel capsules that are easy to swallow. That's a plus for me because I'm a big baby about taking pills, I will tell you. All right. We also carry an indulgence kit. This is an empty box because I used my indulgence kit. I don't have any left, but I just like to show people that it comes in this pretty box. It comes with a smaller size of the Nourish. It comes with a little size of Quench, which is a hydrating balm. It comes with Cleanse, which is a soap that smells amazing. I used it so quick. I really need to get more. And it also comes with a sugar scrub called Buff, okay? Last but not least, Style Box by Jamberry. This is so fun. I love this. This is a monthly subscription. It comes in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And what you get in your Style Box, you get $30 worth of Jamberry product a month. You don't know what it's going to be, so it's fun. It's a fun little surprise. You also get a little style card that tells you how to style it. This is January Style Box, okay? In January, we got 2 exclusive wraps. How gorgeous are these? I am putting these on later today because I can't wait any longer to put them on. In January's, we also got a little boost. It was a Jamberry lipstick, okay? That was pretty awesome. It was exciting. It was unexpected. So you never know what you're gonna get in your box. You'll usually get a catalog item and an exclusive item. It could be a lacquer, it could be a wrap. Usually there's at least 1 wrap in there, okay? You also get fresh tools. So you'll get a couple files and an orange stick. It's a lot of fun. It comes in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and we're gonna talk more about that later. So I just want to give you a quick overview, ladies, and I can't wait to party with you. We're gonna have a lot of fun, so stay tuned. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, I have to turn this off now.